Winston is behind the camera, so therefore you will not be able to see him until later in the video. So this is part 2 of painting the disc. We painted the blades, painted the wheels, put decals on, painted a little bit around on the frame like the Remco. We painted it black just to highlight some of the spots to make it brighter and glisten, and it just helps, we think. So that's what we did. So I guess with no more to say, roll tape, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video.
Alright guys, so here she is all painted up, ready to go. We've got hydraulic lines still to get, but other than that, we're completely done. We've put the DOT tape, just as safety precautions, and trying to get it back a little bit factory. Painted the blades, we've painted the wheels, guys. It looks pretty darn good. So if you guys have been following along, if you haven't, go back to the first video of this disc, and you will see what it started like. Justice also mentioned that we highlighted that there, so you can see, kind of makes it bold and stand out a little bit. But so with that said, guys, there's the finished product of the disc, besides the brand new hydraulic lines that we're still waiting on. Other than that, there it is, guys. So quite the transformation.
Part 2 is a wrap. We got that finished. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully we didn't take too long or anything like that. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you want to see more content such as what we've done or different content, our YouTube channel has a variety of stuff. So if you would, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Like if you would. But any questions, comment. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. That'd be Cowboy Ranch Life, all one word. So I guess with that, we are going to move on to the next one. Hopefully you guys have a good day, and we will catch you guys on the next video.